Hello everyone, welcome to Home Cooking with me Hema Subramanian. Now when it comes to variety rices, I think it's a very nice wholesome meal and I've made several recipes. I'll give you a couple of links in the description that you can check out. And today I'm going to share this wonderful delicious coriander rice. It's got a lot of flavors. So let's get started and check out the recipe. For the coriander rice, I've taken 1 cup of long grain basmati rice. This is a 250 ml cup. Wash it a few times, pour some water and soak it for about 30 minutes. So now I'm going to cook the soaked basmati rice. Take a pot, pour enough water for boiling the rice. Once the water comes to a boil, add half teaspoon of salt. Add the soaked rice. Now if you don't want to use long grain basmati rice, you can also use the regular rice that you cook at home. Cook the rice till it's completely done. So you can see the rice is cooked. I'm going to strain this and keep it aside. So next I'm going to grind a few ingredients for the masala for the coriander rice. So here I have arranged all the ingredients that go into the masala. A small bunch of coriander leaves. This is the main ingredient for the masala. A small handful of mint leaves. Around 4 shallots. You can also use regular onions if you don't have these. Next, a few cloves of garlic. A piece of ginger. 4 green chilies. And about 3 teaspoons of freshly grated coconut. Now coconut is also optional, so just add a little water and grind it to a nice thick paste. The masala paste for the coriander rice is ready. Keep this aside. Take a nice wide kadai or a pan because you need enough room to mix the rice along with the masala and cook it. So make sure it's nice and wide. Add about 2 tablespoons of ghee. I'm going to be a little generous with that. It's going to really enhance the flavors, and 1 tablespoon of oil. Next, add all the whole spices: cinnamon, clove, cardamom, star anise, and 1 bay leaf. Next, add 3 green chilli slit and 2 medium-sized onions thinly sliced. Saute the onions till they are transparent. So you can see the onions are transparent. Now I'm going to add the carrots. These are 2 medium-sized carrots that have been finely chopped. Now add a few beans, about 4 to 5 finely chopped, and add a few cooked peas. Now these vegetables are optional. If you don't want to add vegetables and if you just want to do a simple coriander rice just with the masala, that's fine as well. Continue to saute till the vegetables are cooked. Keep the flame on medium-low and cook for about 5 minutes. So you can see after 5 minutes the vegetables are cooked. Add about 1 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder. So I'm not adding any chili powder. All the spice for this rice is going to come from the green chilies. Now I'm going to add the ground masala paste. So I'm just going to add very little water to the mixer jar and remove all the excess masala that's sticking to the jar. So we're going to cook the masala on medium flame till all the raw smell goes. So you can see the masala is cooked completely. There's no raw taste to it. Now slowly start mixing the cooked rice. So I've used the long grain basmati rice here for this recipe. So I'm not going to put everything at one time. So you want to gradually mix it in. So now add the remaining rice. So this portion of rice is good for about 2 to 3 people. Finally, just add a teaspoon of ghee. Turn off the stove. The coriander rice is ready to be served nice and hot. You can serve this delicious coriander rice with some nice onion raitha and papad by the side. Finally, I'm just going to garnish it with some roasted cashew nuts. Wow, now that coriander rice is super easy and it's extremely delicious. You can see the ingredients are very simple. You can actually serve it with some nice raitha and papad by the side or eat it as is. So do try the recipe, enjoy and share it with your family and friends.